How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. First of all, open Trust Wallet on your device and you can go to cryptos and tap on Bitcoin. If you can't find Bitcoin, you can see the search icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on search and search for BTC or Bitcoin. It will appear. Go ahead and tap on it. The next step you want to do to buy the Bitcoin is tap on buy itself, which is right next to swap. Go ahead and tap on buy or buy BTC, which is over here. Then what you need to do is select the currency over here. After you have selected the currency, you can select the amount over here. And if you want to select BTC by selecting the network, you can just go ahead and tap on it. And then tap on buy now, as you can pay with Google Pay or any other payment method. So if you want to add these, just go ahead and tap on this menu over here and you can see other for finance providers such as MoonPay, Binance Connect and Banksa. So you can just go ahead and tap on buy now. After that, it will lead you to another portal, which as you can see, now what you need to do is log into your exact supporter or provider, and you can just go ahead and enter your Google, Apple or Telegram if you are using Binance as well. So go ahead and enter your email address and password, then tap next and authenticate yourself. After that, you can easily buy your first Bitcoin on the Trust Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.